I'm Jonathan, and this is Anti-Purist.
So, I bought some stuff off Amazon. I just wanted to share with you guys. We're finishing the exhaust on the K Series K24 E30. So we just had a little fit in it. Anyway, so I need to buy some 45s, and I went to the place that I usually don't go to buy this stuff, but I went to Amazon. So, and I was kind of pleased and kind of disappointed. So I want to show you guys the two differences. And then I ended up needing to buy some more for another project, so I had to buy from two different companies, which ended up being great because now I see where to buy from and where not to buy from, and I'll kind of just hit on points where what I want and what I like about each one or dislike. So first off, here's the two packaging that you have. You have a nice box that's Stainless Bros, which is also Tycon, I'm guessing. And if I'm wrong, you can say I'm wrong. And then we have just a mailer with some bubble wrap in there. This is from Auto Muto. Auto M-U-T-O. Mewtwo? Whatever. So, the difference between this one and this one's $5, roughly. And both of them ship Prime, whatever. So I just want to show you guys the difference between the two and the quality. And for $5 to me, I'm already leaning towards the box. So once you do that, there you go. So it doesn't look bad, but it doesn't look great. That it's cheap, whatever. I mean, it's just little detail stuff. Like you can, I don't know if you can see that not being flat. Can you see that bump? So it's a really, really rough cut. And then they just, yeah, the cuts are terrible. It's not flat. It's just kind of rushed out. You can kind of see where the bend was in it. I don't know if you can really pick that up on camera, but it's got a really indented bend from where they're pulling the metal. So it's just, like I said, it comes with long legs, and as you see on the granite, it's not anywhere near flat, which, I mean, if you're cutting it up, that's fine, like what we're doing. It doesn't really matter. It comes, and like as you can see, it's all, you can kind of see that it's scraped up and stuff. Like I said, I mean, it's exhaust, so it's, you know, if it is hanging low, it doesn't really matter. But don't want to start, I don't like starting with all these problems already. That's just me. Like I said, you know, it's just from where the clamp to the pole was, there's a little bit more indentation than I'd like to see, but you know, it's not too bad. I'm not a big fan of them coming polished. That's just me personally, because sometimes those guys will use a cleaner or chemical or something, so then when you go to weld it, you got to make sure it's extra clean. Some people like it. I'm just not a fan. So that's that one. Now, the one positive I would say is that it has super long legs. So if you're looking to have a bunch of leftover material, there you go. So now this is the Tycon / Stainless Bros. It's a nice thick box. It comes with some nice paper in it, and then it's wrapped. And it is much nicer, if you ask me. So it's just the raw brushed stainless. The ends are perfectly smooth. It's pretty sure it's lasered off. I could be wrong, but it looks like it's lasered. But I mean, overall, the quality for me out of the box is just, you know, that's not going anywhere. You can fit this up and it's gonna be ready to go. Now, like I was saying with the leg differences, you have a lot more of leg, but that's not, to me, that's not a big deal. I'd rather go with the quality piece versus the other one. Like I said, it's a $5 difference. That's up to you what you think. If you think that you need for $5 cheaper, you want more leg and it to be polished, whatever. But for me, I definitely go with the Stainless Bros and Tycon. And we are not sponsored by them or anything. This is just something that, by either one of these companies, obviously. So we just letting you guys know. Like I said, I was just doing some exhaust work and on the E30 and some other projects, and I just wanted to share because I hadn't seen a video about this out there. So, like I said, this quality is awesome. I definitely give this a really high rating. This is just kind of whatever. So I mean, it's your typical not give a shit Chinese. Yeah, I mean, just really rough cuts, not even straight. But yeah, so if it was me, definitely go with this. I'll put the link in the description for this. This is a 2.5. Both of these are 2.5 45s. So same center line radius, everything like that. Just pretty much the legs are different. So, but yeah, hope you like it.